One of the new features in Trellis 5.0 is our dashboard technology. So on the left-hand navigation, once again, there's a dashboard icon that's listed over here. I can quickly select that dashboard icon. The very first one that's going to come up is my device status dashboard. It comes up by default. Right now, currently, I've got UPSs that are out there. I've got 5 of them that are being monitored. So it's showing me I've got 5 responding. I don't have any in alarm currently. The next area that we can go into is our device metrics. Now, device metrics, it's going to enable me to go out there and just simply search a device down. So I'll just use UPS as an example, a floor UPS. Do a quick search on that. And it brings up all of the different UPSs that I have monitored inside of the platform. So I can select one of those and then select the metrics icon to the far right hand side of that. It's going to bring me up the metrics for that particular device. Over any period of range that I need to search for, I can go up here and I can select my calendar tool, change that out. I can also print off these metrics. The next area that I can go into is my scheduler. Now the scheduler has got a few different things in it. Predominantly it's going to just be purging analytics reports by default, but if you had any other tasks that were listed, it would actually give us that information, show it to us through our time graph at the top, as well as giving us any task details down the bottom. The PUE dashboard, a little bit different than 403. It does take a second for it to load up, so just give it a moment. But this is giving us what our current target is, 1.4, giving us what our trend is over that period of time. I can also highlight these areas so I can see a little bit finer area of detail, so you can zoom in on those if you so desire. And down below you actually have all of the other details about the power load for this particular site. So that's the one that I had selected there. As far as any other timelines, you can bring this back out and bring this back smaller too. Should probably show that to you and see the details of that. And then the last one on here is any active alarms in the dashboard view. So this is just building us a current state of what's going on. This does take a few seconds for it to load up as it gathers up all that data.